As you can see on the screen here, people are telling you that you can make mega dollars simply listening to music. What they'll have you do is they'll have you go to one of these websites that will pay you for streams, kind of like a streaming farm, and you can make $12 or you can make money $2.40 every 2 minutes. But most of these videos, as you know, are probably junk. You have to meet certain requirements that oftentimes you don't meet. Sometimes they're just not a good fit. Sometimes the websites are scam. But what if I told you there is a real way that you could make $10,000 per month simply listening to music? And in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways that you could make 10K per month just listening to music. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best way that you could make 10K per month listening to music. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I said, there are tons of these videos out here that want you to believe that you can make $4.67 just listening to music, and it's as easy as that. You put on your headphones and boom, money will fall out of the sky into your wallet. Most of the time, it is not the case. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take a look at a few real ways that you can make real money and just listening to your favorite type of music. So let's go ahead and get into way number 1. So this website here is a small website. It's called lyricinterpretations.com. As you can see here, this website doesn't look very good. It's not visually appealing or attractive. But what if I told you that this website makes 10K per month? Yes, this website right here makes 10K per month, and I'm going to show you how they do it. So we're going to go over to Site Explorer, and believe me, this is actually really easy that you can do this. So go over to Site Explorer. We're going to put in their domain name, as you can see, lyricinterpretations.com. And once this pops up, you're going to see that they're simply making money by telling you what people are saying in their songs. So if we take a look here, they make 9.8K. That's the traffic volume. Now, the amount of money that they actually make can be much higher simply because it doesn't take into account the digital products that they sell, if they sell merchandise. But if we look at this, they rank for over 914,000 keywords. Again, the website's only ranked 3 million, so it's not a huge website. But if we take a look, we can change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. And what they're doing is they're listening to songs and they're telling you what's in the song. Look at this. Fine line songs, all-star lyrics. This girl's on fire lyrics. Simple lyrics getting lots of searches. Now, you can make money with this process in a variety of ways. One way that you can make money is simply having ads on your website. You can work with Google AdSense, you can work with other ad agencies out there, and you can make money that way. Another way that you can make money is with affiliate marketing. You could recommend the best headphones, you could recommend different streaming services that have affiliate programs, you could recommend even like turntables if they were interested in becoming a DJ. You can see how this could wind up making you a lot of money. So let me just jump over to YouTube here real quick. Now, this is a blog. You could do the exact same thing with YouTube, and you might actually get a little bit more traffic. So I'm going to open up a new tab here. We're going to go to youtube.com. Now remember, this is just one way that you can actually make money listening to music and interpreting the lyrics. So one thing that you can do too is you can listen to these songs. I'm going to get into this more in just a minute, and you can give your opinion on the songs. Now you want to be careful when you're doing this over on YouTube not to actually play the song. If you play the song, you run the risk of not being able to monetize that actual video. But if you look at this, people are looking up the lyrics to all of these different songs. What you can do is you can find tiny songs, small by small artists, and you can do this over on YouTube and then tell them, hey, look, if you want the best headphones to listen to your favorite song, this Alicia Keys song, click the link in the description. People click the link, it takes them over to Amazon where you're an affiliate and you can make money that way. So that's just one way. Another cool way that you can make money is simply, what does blank mean? Now, if we look at this, the top result, it says, what does WAP mean in Cardi B's song? Now, if you know what that means, that will make you chuckle a little bit, but this actually gets 36,000 searches per month, 14,000 keywords. Now, what we can do is we can copy this and we can go over to YouTube once again, and we can simply answer this question. What does blank mean in Cardi B song? And you can spend a couple minutes explaining exactly what it means, explain the origins. But if you look at this, mom does What mom? What does WAP mean? 3.9 thousand views. This person only has 58 subscribers. Now, what you could do is you could actually do interpretations of all of the other meanings. Now, if you've ever been on TikTok, you see a bunch of people are giving other definitions for WAP or that term, and so you could do the same thing. But it doesn't just have to be that. It could be what does. If we delete this and we go underscore here, you're going to see that there are a bunch of other ones that you could potentially do, or you can do this over on. Let's go back over here. We can do this with Ahrefs and starting a blog. But you can see there are lots of opportunities out here for this one. What does OPP mean? That's another interesting one. If you are interested in old school rap, you can see people are asking these questions. Now, what it's going to take to be successful is consistency. You can't just upload one and expect millions and trillions of views. Can't even get it out. Trillions of views. You have to upload consistently, whether it's a blog or a website. But this is just way number 2. Another thing that you can do is you can actually take advantage of a website like SoundCloud. If you aren't familiar, SoundCloud is a website where people can upload their own music. And what I'm doing here, what I recommend that you do, is go over to Ahrefs and find different SoundCloud rappers or SoundCloud musicians that are getting lots of views, but not well known. What you can do here is you can actually listen to some of these guys and start creating content over on YouTube, because some of these guys will go big. Some of these guys have a huge following. As you can see, some of these guys men and women are getting millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views. You create content where you're talking about the artist origin story, the different lyrics, the songs, you rank their songs. You could potentially start building an audience and making money either on your blog or your YouTube channel. Now, when it comes to your YouTube channel, once again, you can make money with affiliate marketing. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, in order to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But you can see there are millions of people that are looking up different artists, different things, and we change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. So there isn't a ton of competition. If you go out, you listen to the music, for example, maybe this guy here, you listen to the music, you talk about his origin story, you almost do like an IMDb or a Wikipedia on this person, talk about the songs, and you can potentially start blowing up. Now, if we take his name, Brandon Adams, we go over to YouTube just like this, and we paste it in. And you're going to see that there is an audience here, and you're going to listen to the music. You're going to interpret. Actually, this guy here isn't actually, so there are some rankings for him, but this is an opportunity because, as you can see, there are tons of people that are interested in this artist, and that's an opportunity to make money. Look at this. This person, Brandon Adams, he has 848,000 monthly viewers and visitors. You create content about him and about his music. That's another opportunity. The other one that I want to take a look at today is Genius.com. If you don't know, in Genius YouTube channel, if you don't know, Genius basically does rap lyrics, once again, and interpretation. What they'll do, if we click on here, and they'll actually jump on the trending topics and the trending songs, is they'll actually pull out some of the words and give additional context. You can do the exact same thing. What I really wanted to show you, let's see if we can find it real quick. What I really wanted to show you on YouTube, another thing that you could do, and I really like this opportunity, is who is beefing with. Now, take a look at this. Who is beefing with Young Dolph? And you can do this with any artist. And most artists will put who they have a disagreement with in their song. So we could say, who was Drake beefing with? Or you can even do like Drake versus Pusha T or Kanye West. But look at this. If we just type in Drake versus, you can see he's had lots of problems with lots of people. If we take a look at this top result, Drake versus Pusha T, the top result, 669,000 views. Now, what they're doing in this is they're actually going over rap lyrics. They're giving a full breakdown and analysis. They're actually giving an origin story as to when this beef started and how it started. But you can do this with anyone. You could do like Eminem. Now, Eminem versus like this, Eminem versus Drake, Machine Gun Kelly. So you can see that this is an opportunity. Now, I don't know much about the other genres of music. Blake Shelton, maybe we do Blake Shelton versus. And you can see that, once again, people are creating content. Now, again, I don't know a ton about country music, so I don't know if this is someone that has a lot of controversy. Gwen Stefani versus, and you can see once again, people are they're listening to music and they're giving their opinions about potential disagreements that are happening. But this is a cool way, and this is a much better way, because this is going to allow you to generate passive income for months and years to come. These other ways that you see here are active income. The only way you make money is you have to actually listen to the music, or you have to make sure that your phone is active and it can't go into sleep mode, or else you won't make any money. But with these ways, you create content about lyrics, or you create content about rap beefs, or you create content about what does WAP mean. That's going to live on the internet for as long as you have your blog or YouTube channel. So just to recap real quick, you can make money by starting a blog and interpreting lyrics. You can make money by answering questions like, what does OPP mean? What does cherry chapstick mean in a song? If we look here, you can actually make money with, once again, looking at lyrics. You can do this both in a blog or a YouTube channel. You can also make money by finding SoundCloud artists and creating content, whether it's a blog or it's a YouTube channel where you're talking about new and upcoming artists. You could start an entire YouTube channel about new and upcoming artists. If we jump over here, this is the Rap Genius YouTube channel, but we could say like new and upcoming SoundCloud. That didn't work. We could say new and upcoming SoundCloud rappers. Look at this. New and upcoming SoundCloud rappers is going to be a whole deep dive that you could get into. Now, I'm sure there are other genres on there, but I know that SoundCloud rap is a pretty big deal. But look at this. Hundreds of thousands of views on people talking about new and upcoming SoundCloud rappers. Look at the second one here. 7.3 thousand views, 405 subscribers. So this person isn't even monetized, but they're getting thousands of views, where you can just create content about new and upcoming SoundCloud rappers. And you can get this idea simply by looking at, if we scroll up here, look at the SoundCloud. You can get an idea of the people that are new and upcoming by taking a look at the search volume. This Ahrefs does a lot of the work for you. Also, if we keep going here, you can take a look at genius.com, as I showed you, and you can also talk about different beefs. If you are into hip hop, again, we can do Drake versus, and you can just kind of go over all of this. Look at lots of beef there that you could potentially create content and make money. Another thing that we can do, just to make sure that we've covered all of our bases, well, this is a real cool opportunity for you to make money, and make real money 24 hours a day, not some of this other stuff where you're making pennies and nickels on the dollar, where you have to keep doing it for a chance to make $100 per day. Now that you know 5 legitimate ways to make money listening to music, click the first link in the description, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.